Yeah, in the Quran, the opposite of kufr. Yeah, of kufr. Yeah, I think we're like there's static, so I sometimes don't know if you stopped or it's a technical issue. So like the opposite of kufr in the Quran is not iman. It's shukr. So we're either in a state of acknowledgement or a state of denial. And so when we also deny who we are, then like so it's not actually just denying God. When we deny God, we deny ourselves because God's spirit isn't within us, and we deny this special status that God gave humanity. Yeah. And when we acknowledge who we are, the state of gratitude, we become also immune to temptation. Because like there's also satisfaction that, as we were saying earlier, Asmi, this hunger for external possession or food or like, you know, anything is actually this, like, you know, there's an emptiness and a denial of the riches within. And so therefore we become empty outward when we actually realize how rich we are already and how much we have, and we're in a state of acknowledgement of the amazing gifts we have within and without. The relationship shifts. Yeah.